I lay this right at the feet of big margarine. Sure, they were small in the 1870s, but by the 1970s, they were calling it, "I can't believe it's not butter." It was this pasty, oily goo that was supposed to protect you from the heart disease that they blamed on butter. Today, we know the truth is just the opposite. So, now we have conversational AI, or what I call it, "I can't believe it's not you." Anyway, I asked ChatGPT to write a creative script in my style about using AI in marketing in 2023. Oh, and by the way, Stevie begged me to let him perform the script. Well, I have to admit there's no one more qualified than Cyber Stevie to take on this dangerous mission. I'll tell you what I told him, though, in my best Q voice. "All right, 00911, please just bring it back in one piece this time, would you?" And he did use all the words of the script, but the rest, I'll let you be the judge.
Ladies and gentlemen, gather around. We got a real humdinger of a topic today. We're talking about artificial intelligence in marketing in 2023. Folks, let me tell you, the future of marketing is brighter than a brand spanking new penny. With the advent of artificial intelligence, and it's not just about robots taking over our jobs. AI-powered marketing platforms are analyzing massive amounts of data and making precise, data-driven decisions about the most effective marketing strategies for each individual audience. It's like a crystal ball for your campaigns. And with the rise of conversational AI and chatbots, businesses are able to interact with their customers in new and exciting ways. Chatbots can handle complex customer queries and provide 24/7 support. It's like having a robot bartender at your beck and call. And finally, AI-powered video creation and animation tools are making it easier and more affordable for businesses to create high-quality, engaging videos. No more need for expensive video production crews and lengthy post-production work. It's like having a magician in your pocket. So, you can see, folks, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the marketing industry and making it more effective, efficient, and accessible for businesses of all sizes. And that's not just talk, it's fact. It's fact. So, let's get cracking and start making the future of marketing shine like a brand new penny.
Thank you, Stevie. And get what's left of that penny back to HQ, would you? So, since this is about getting AI to help you write scripts, you may want to try it out as a research assistant. It's really pretty good at relating facts to other facts. I asked it to write a comparison of business processes to parts of an airplane, and it spit this out. Just like the engines, marketing and sales drive the business forward and generate revenue. The cockpit, or management, directs the business and ensures it's on course. The wings, or operations, provide stability and keep the business aloft. And the tail, or finance, helps steer the business in the right direction and balances it. Well, better than what you could find on Google, but don't expect it to write a whole script around this, and even less to make the leap to attraction. Google doesn't even get that, so how could AI? I asked this thing to write scripts in my own personal style and Tony Robbins style, and it used nearly all the same words. It's about as authentic as trying to snuggle into a picture of a bed. Sure, I've seen the spooky artwork it creates, but it simply cannot make words reach the emotions, even with some real heavy special effects like you've just seen thanks to Stevie. Although, come to think of it, he's probably on the side of the robots. Attraction is for cats playing pianos and humans standing in their value. The reason AI is not a threat to anyone with something to say is because AI has nothing to say. All it can do is repeat things someone else said. And sure, humans have a slight tendency to do that too. However, as we all pretty much know now, visible authority comes from showing up in unique ways. As long as you stay true to you, your spirit, your energy, your essence can never be replicated by a robot, even on video. The trick has always been, and especially from this day forward, will be not letting yourself slip into a role that's not right for you. It's your special sauce, your one-of-a-kindness that will never be repeated in all of history. That's why no matter how loudly the fans of "I Can't Believe It's Not You" praise this new shortcut to irrelevance, it's worth putting a little more thought into being you.